What's up, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to shoot this quick video of all of the bikes that I've collected over the years. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, we got the Segway GoKart Pro. This thing is so much fun. It's powered by the hoverboard in the back and the frame attaches, and it's two motors, 500 watts each. They say it peaks at 2400 watts each, but I went ahead and upgraded it. I bought this panel over here, which makes the frame a little more rigid, and I also got this little speedometer display. So much fun to ride, such a blast. And I got actually a video coming for this. I got a little racetrack that I created over here. We're gonna go over there and shoot. All right, moving along, we got this little thing. This is I believe it's an MX400. A friend gave this to me, and what I did is I upgraded my Razor, so I threw the Razor motor onto here. So we got a 650 watt 36 volt system. For this small little bike, it is too fast. Fun little toy. Next we got the Razor, the RSF650. Got an 1800 watt motor here, 48 volts. I know it's not the most. I am looking to upgrade this soon. Maybe the Electric & Co kit. Maybe I'll get that. Alright, moving along. Next we got my Clone Stealth Bomber. 12,000 watt, 72 volt. This thing tops out at 65 miles an hour. And I get a range of about 40-50 miles from this battery. Pretty nice. Huge hub motor. Actually, you guys saw the video I made on this bike already. And last but not least, the Holy Grail, the Beast, the Monster, my baby, my Sur-Ron. We have Shy battery, 60 volt, 60 amp hour, which I will shoot a range test on. I kind of opted for the range rather than the max battery. I can still run plenty of power on this. 8.5, good enough for me. I got the Pro Taper 3-inch rise bars, changed my riding position, beautiful. This is my phone mount, super sturdy and solid. I love this thing. My old one broke, this one is amazing. I am rocking the bag. It is what it is. It doesn't look the best from the front. I mean, it's essential for me. I go exploring a lot, and I gotta have my things with me, water, etc. Custom seat that I made. This baby's comfy. And that does it for all of my electric vehicle fleet, my electric arsenal as I call it. Again, thank you for watching. Welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yo, Tom, what it do?